On Facebook profile, we used to set hometown. When you're setting hometown, if you want to set that hometown in a way that only some specific persons can see, you can set it like that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to set hometown on your Facebook profile in a way that only specific friends can see. For this, open Facebook application. After that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see personal details. Next to that, you can see a pencil-like button.
Click on this pencil-like button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see your hometown. The second option is the option for hometown, and you need to select that. And the thing is that if you have not set this before, here in this page you can see hometown option. Click on hometown. When you're clicking on that, you can select your hometown. For example, I'm selecting my hometown. After that, here you can see who can see this option. Click on this. When you're clicking on that, here you can see so many options.
If you're not able to see this full option, here you can see all. Click on that, and you can see this every option. And from here, you need to select only Show To. And after that, select the friends to whom this should be shown. You can select multiple friends. Anyways, after that, click on this Done button. And here you can see Done option. Click on Done. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Save option. Click on Save. When you're clicking on that, that settings will be saved, and they're asking whether you want to post it in your feed. That means it'll be shown as a post in your profile. If you don't want that, you can click on this Back button.
Or if you want to show, you can click on the Share button. Anyway, I'm clicking on this Back button so that settings will be saved. So this way you can easily set your hometown in a way that only some specific friends can see on your Facebook profile. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, see you in next video.